guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about acne. So acne and acne bacteria are always plotting against our skin, and these are the 5 essentials that I have incorporated in my life that has transformed my skin for good, and I'm never going back. Winter is extra brutal on acne prone skin, but this is not just for winter, this is applicable throughout the year. If you want happy hydrated skin all year along, just watch this video. This will definitely help you. Let's start with a sneaky culprit, your pillowcase. Your cotton pillowcase are trapping your skincare bacteria, causing friction to your skin and making your acne worse. Try switching your pillowcases. These have helped my acne so much. Now, why satin pillowcase? It glides over your skin. It doesn't absorb your skincare, your serum, and it is so gentle on your skin. It doesn't cause any irritation. Satin pillowcase are really good for your hair as well as for your skin. You don't have to immediately go and buy 10 different pillowcases. Just start with 2 or 3. Try changing your pillowcase every 2 to 3 days and see the difference. Skincare is okay to some extent, it helps, but you have to make changes in your lifestyle to improve your skin quality and your health quality. These are pretty cheap, I would say. At the end of the day, it's your skin, you have to take care of it. Give it 1 month, you will definitely see improvement. I used to get acne on my jawline and I used to think, okay, could be hormonal, but not everything is related to your skincare or your hormone. Sometimes external factors do affect our skin and we have to be very mindful. So yeah, satin pillowcase is something which is non-negotiable for me. Even if I'm going out for a night out or some vacation, I always carry satin pillowcases. Yes, people judge, who gives. It's okay if anyone is making fun of you or taunting you, just ignore that crap and do what is best for your skin. Be it any season, be it any place you go, just don't forget to carry some pimple patches. Yes guys, these are your new besties. Pimple patches are so essential for me. It doesn't have to be any fancy one. Just get something which is very cheap within your budget. Don't go for the gimmick like, oh, it has salicylic in it and blah blah blah. No, you just need simple pimple patches. Pimple patches are so essential. They help sucking out that gunk from your pimple. It speed up the healing process of your pimple. There is a myth or there is a misconception that if you wear pimple patch is like a magic product. No guys, these are not magic product. It will not magically erase the pimple overnight. That is all BS. That's not gonna happen. But this really helps you to accelerate the healing process of your acne. It helps you to get that gunk pus to come to the surface so fast. Also, they prevent you from that picking habit that we all have and which lead to a lot of pitted scar. This really prevents us from doing that. I've been trying this brand for quite a while. This is good. It's better than Cosrx, I feel, just because I get more number of pimple patches with the same amount of money. Whenever you get a zit or whenever you feel like you will have a pimple or you already got a pimple which is not coming to the surface or it's staying beneath the skin, just pop one at the night and you are good to go. And by the morning, the zit will be less angrier, I promise. And no matter what season, I will always keep a pack of pimple patch with me. This really helps. Listen, your skin needs moisture in air, especially in winter. A humidifier keeps your skin from drying out overnight, meaning no more waking up like a raisin. Bonus, it helps your skincare works better. And I have seen many doctors, especially in the drier weather, recommend humidifier in your room when you sleep. It's worth investing in some humidifier. It doesn't have to be very fancy one. Just get a regular humidifier that works best for you. You will wake up with the most plump, hydrated, juicy skin of your dream. I will try to link some of the humidifier I have used in past and the one that I'm using right now. Next one is any good fatty moisturizer. Winter calls for a moisturizer that means business. Lightweight gel, love them, but they won't cut it when your skin is begging for hydration. A good fatty moisturizer loaded with ceramide, cholesterol or squalene that strengthen your skin barrier and keep the breakouts. Even if you have oily skin, normal skin or dry skin, to figure your one good moisturizer that works for you. I have dry, sensitive, acne prone skin and I have made a list of moisturizer that I have in my stash. I constantly reach out for them. I would link it in the description. If you are interested, you can go and have a look. My channel doesn't exist. I don't have any sponsorship from anyone. This is just your acne bestie or acne sister sharing her love and experience. Even if we have like skin positivity, body positivity, but at the end of the day, I know the struggle and I understand how it impacts your confidence. And if this helps any of you or if it makes you feel better, then I'm all for it. Okay, the last one I would say is especially for extremely dry skin type, CeraVe healing ointment. Just hear me out guys. just hear me out. This right here, my winter skin lifeline. Not just winter, actually I use it all year round, but that's just me. CeraVe Healing Ointment is packed with ceramide and petroleum, meaning it seals in moisture and prevents that tight, flaky skin we all hate. I use a tiny bit on my dry patches, or most of the time I just slather it on my full face, and boom, hydration locked in. Now, in case you have severe oily acne prone skin, then I would ask you to do a patch test, because heavy petroleum might not be a good idea. But you have normal dry skin or normal oily skin, this actually works. So it's not comedogenic in nature. This really does have healing property is what I have seen. So if you have like burns, or if you have put any chemicals that has made your skin raw, after you do your skincare or after you have applied your moisturizer, if you put like a thin layer of this, it really works like magic. It has never caused any further irritation or anything. On the contrary, it helped my acne heal faster. I have seen many doctors say that Vaseline is basically the same thing, but I have tried Vaseline in past, and sadly whenever I use Vaseline, okay, it just gives me tiny little bumps. I don't know why that is. Maybe it is because of the perfume, but CeraVe Healing Ointment is something that has really worked on my skin beautifully. It's really a multi-purpose product. It is not just good for your skin and your skin barrier, it also helps in healing chapped skin. And just like that, you have handled your skincare game and elevated it successfully. These essentials have really saved my acne prone skin, and might just save yours. Drop your must-have in the comment section to let me know if I need to incorporate something else. Please feel free to subscribe to stay connected with me. Trust me, I have dealt with acne for the longest, and I know the struggle. I know how it feels. Just give it 1 month and try to incorporate this into your life slowly. Come back and let me know in the comment section if any of this has helped you. I will see you on the next one. Bye.